Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. I was actually planning on doing a live stream today, but I was just too busy, so it looks like I'm not gonna make it. Instead of that, you're getting a quick update for Bitcoin. First of all, let's start off with my short trade that I was in yesterday. That one got stopped out. In case you missed it, we had a very important support and resistance level that was it from here? I think so. I took the trade yesterday once we had an SFP of that level. That was also the top of the green channel. I can show you later. That is this line right here. If I'm going to zoom out, it's much more clear for you. We had the initial rejection, and that was this candle right here, but then just 2 hours later we went higher, and it was not for me another reason to get into that short trade. But I actually really lined up with an SRP of that level with the top of the trend line, and we also had bearish divergence, so all the confirmations were there, but unfortunately the trade didn't play out. Matter of fact, we actually also got a very nice backtest or retest of that trend line, and you could say, okay, now we're off to the races and we're going higher. So I'm out of the short, and I'm actually now looking for higher prices. The reason is because market B is still very bullish. It doesn't really matter which time frame you're pulling up. Everything just looks extremely bullish. You see fat money flow, RSIs on the top. Yes, sometimes you are printing a red dot and you have some sideways or slow downward action, but then the price is just picking up again. And yeah, like I said, it really doesn't matter which time frame you're looking at. It all looks like we still have some more room to go, and maybe we even have some bullish price action in the weekend. Today we're only going to focus on the 1 hour time frame because I just have a few very simple trades for you. Let me quickly scroll back because I need to have the volume profile for that. And that's the following. We still have the short that I talked about yesterday. That's from 65,000. 65,000. That is the high of these, or this double high here that we're taking out, and then we're going lower. That could really be a nice trade. There are a few things I want to see. I prefer something like bearish divergences than on the 1 hour, so really the money flow then needs to come lower, and then I want to see something like this where we have nice bearish divergence on the 1 hour, at least the 1 hour, and also prefer 4 hour, but at least the 1 hour before I'm taking a trade. So that for me is for now the major short trade in case we get there. In case we're going lower, we could still take a long from Wednesday low, that is this low right here. There's only one problem: you are then getting back into the range. This thick blue line is very high, and then we have the point of control. So it's not all too bullish if you're first going lower, breaking that very high, and taking out the liquidity of the Wednesday low, and then retest and go higher, because yeah, like I said, you are kind of then already back into the volume profile. So not the best thing, but I do keep it on. So those are the most outside trades: a short from 65, or a long here from Wednesday low, and that is 59. But actually the one that looks better is one from the backtest of the very high, again that thick blue line. The only thing is that right now it doesn't really line up with the golden pocket. I also have a box here, as you can see. It's really an area, but let's say we would first go to 65k, then you can see that that golden pocket and the value area high is lining up perfectly. I could even draw this slightly bit higher. So we have two significant highs. This is one significant high, this is one significant high, then you have your breakthrough. So in case we are going lower, we're getting a backtest of the golden pocket, and just to be clear, the golden pocket is measured from Wednesday low then to our theoretically 65k, and then to go lower, backtest, this is your long. So you could even take a short from 65, take a long from approximately 61,500 to, I would say, 61, and then play to the upside, and whatever wins, right? So you're going lower here, you take some profit, then you also try to go long if you see your confirmations, and if then eventually you go higher here again, you take some profit on your longs, and your stop will get stopped out, but you are hedged either way. So whatever price is doing, you are in the direction the price is going, because you have a long and a short. Do not, of course, take a long here and a short here and see whatever plays out, but you always take a long from the highs and a short from the highs and a long from the lows, and this is the way you can hedge yourself in both direction. That is actually pretty much it. The only trade, I'm really doubting to put it on, but you know what, okay, we're just gonna do it. The only other trade long locally that we could have is a long from this low right here, and that is, I think it is even, no, it's not Thursday low. I really need to see how price reacts once we get there, so we could do something like this, taking out this low and then to go higher. That could be a long trade, and if else it is from this, but this is the Thursday low, but actually then you're already at the golden pocket. So yeah, let's keep it like this. I think this is pretty good. Maybe a long once we take that liquidity and then to go higher. Long number 1, long number 2, backtest value area high, support and resistance box after 2 significant highs, and the golden pocket. Long number 3 is taking out Wednesday low, starting off from approximately 59,200 and a short from 65. I think that will be it for today, and I'm really then going to do a live stream or later today or maybe tomorrow. Thank you guys so much. See you next one, and please do me a favor by liking, subscribing, clicking the bell, clicking on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think it's useful, and also feel free to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.